Don't be afraid to show who you are. Be professional, be diplomatic, be elegant, because you're a woman.
Specific to women, do some assessment about the role you're in, the team you're in, where you want to go.
If you have a fancy title and you don't have the voice and you're not heard and you don't make decisions, then you haven't broken the ceiling.
DAMAC has very good women representation. We have strong women talent in all these departments, and it's a real credit to the owners, a real credit to our chairman. This is really a true meritocracy.